Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding women crochet 2-pocket scarf designs. Beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, new and trendy designing ideas. You can see every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy color combination contrasts. You can see also highly running ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video beautiful and trendy crochet 2-pocket scarves. Winter season collection you can see. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet 2-pocket scarves, beautiful scarves. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of scarves. You can easily carry, you can easily move with the beautiful and stylish crochet 2-pocket scarves. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet scarves, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com, Amazon. Trendy designing ideas you can see. Beautiful and stylish color combination contrasts. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Give your feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet 2-pocket scarves? New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.